How to fix app not sending verification code. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to fix your apps not sending verification code. So if you're unable to get a verification code of a particular application, then for that case what you have to do is, first of all, you could check for an update. You could go to your Play Store and then look for the application that you're unable to receive. Let's say I'm gonna go with the Bumble and check whether there is an update available or not. Update available, press on it and wait for the application to be updated, and then you could retry it to get the verification code. If that's not working out, then you could also go ahead and try checking your phone settings, as sometimes the default messages might not have been set. So for that, you just have to go ahead and exit out of the application and then swipe up, and here you should be able to locate default messages. If not, go to your settings, then you should go to network and internet, and here you should be able to find messages. Make sure to set the default messages, and if this is also not working out, then what next you can do is you could just go ahead and check your SIM card. Sometimes if the SIM card is not present on the current devices that you're trying to get the verification code on, that might be one of the reasons why you're unable to get the verification code. So for a certain time, you could just insert in the SIM to the following device, and then you can try getting the verification code. So that is how you can fix app not sending verification code. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.